This is Robert Kraig, Executive Director of Citizen Action of Wisconsin, and this is our response to Governor Walker's budget, and especially his Medicaid plan, where he is turning down billions of dollars in federal health care reform money that could be used to fill the holes in Badger care. We are very disturbed that he is taking this action on crass political grounds in order to position himself with the far right in the state and nationally, and in so doing, putting the health security of tens of thousands of Wisconsinites at risk. He's gone to great lengths to have it both ways, to claim that he is both opposing the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare and that he has a smart plan to cover more people. But once the smoke clears from this elaborate ploy, what will be very, very clear is that Governor Walker is creating a situation where tens of thousands of fewer people have access to health security, and it may be even worse than that, but at least tens of thousands of people less, and it'll cost the state 5 times more to do this. And so what becomes very clear, and which is very disturbing, is that Governor Walker's decision is all about his own crass political calculations and not about the best interests in the state. And we need to remember that Governor Walker is not any citizen. He is the chief executive officer of the state of Wisconsin, and he has sworn an oath to uphold the interests of the people of Wisconsin. And for him to create a situation where we're going to pay more for having less health security, to create a situation where he claims that he is covering more people when in fact most of the coverage that he is claiming is actually from Obamacare, which he claims to hate, and in fact where a number of people he claims will be covered will not be able to afford the coverage because these programs were not designed for people at the income level in which of people who expected to enroll. That is unethical and that is immoral. And I think that we find this is a profoundly disturbing situation, and we think as this debate progresses during this budget and beyond, that it will become very clear that Governor Walker is much more concerned about his own political future and how he positions himself on the far right than he is in the actual health and livelihoods and access to the American dream of the people of the state of Wisconsin. As this becomes clearer and clearer, it will become more and more damaging for Governor Walker moving forward. Thank you very much.